Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today I'm going to show you how to apply attributes to your sales order. To get started, we're going to go into our orders. Then we're going to create a new order. I'm going to go ahead and select a customer. Now we're going to go ahead and add our item that has the attributes associated with them. So in this case, it's this Ace chair. So as soon as I click this Ace chair, it's going to start to ask me what I want to do for the attributes. So in this case, the first one it wants me to do is the arm cap. These are attributes that we've set up into attribute sets. In this case, this attribute set is for the Ace chair. So I'm going to grab the arm cap. So now when you type in the value, you can either type in a new one, or we do have the ability to look at what we typed in before. So I'm going to choose this option here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my second attribute. Second attribute is going to be for the cover. I'm going to do the same thing into the value. I'm just going to grab me a value there. Now I'm going to add a third one by hitting another plus button there. Now I'm going to ask me for the cushion. Again, I'm going to grab a option there. So these options that you're seeing there has already been previously entered before. So it does remember the past enter. So it does remember the past entries that you add into the value field. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on. I'm going to do finish. I'm going to grab one of these finishes. And then I'm going to add my last attribute, which is going to be the pillow fabric. I'll grab one of these values here. Now that your attributes are all set, if it looks good the way you need it to, you can continue. If you made a mistake, you can always hit the little trash can icon, and that will remove the attribute. It'll even ask you, are you sure you want to do that? But I'm fine with the current selection. So we're going to hit that create button. After you hit that create button, it's now asking us for some combos. We're going to go ahead and continue without those. So this is the way it looks. If I zoom in a little bit, you can still see that it's the Ace chair. So looking at this item, you can see that the Ace chair and then all of the different attributes are listed below. So we could have been adding some prices into each of those attributes if required, but for now they're all at 0 because I've already applied a system sales price to this item as well. If you need to make any changes to the attributes after the fact, you can go to the context menu, and we have a modify attribute button. If you click into that, that's going to bring up the attributes again. Now that that's done, so now I'm going to go ahead and continue on. I'm going to select my warranty option because this is within that certain range. There's my warranty for my invoice. Now, if you need to take any deposit, you can, but I'm going to go ahead and continue on. Here it's just asking me for a serial number for this item. We'll go ahead and continue without that. And that's how you create an order with attributes. Now, to take a quick look at the attributes that I've selected, I'm going to go into my products, and then go into item attribute. So these are all the different attributes that we've created, like cover and some of the other ones like arm cap. All that is going to be in here. So we first create the item attributes, and then we go up one more into attribute sets. And flex steel is the one that I was doing. That was a flex steel item. So it asked me for the arm cap, the cover, the cushion, the finish, and the pillow fabric. These are all text value fields. So all you got to do is just type in the codes that you need to do. So that's how to apply attributes to your sales order in AltheaSuite. Thank you.